Hey, how's everyone doing? It's your favorite guy in the hoodie, Jay Knows Credit. Salute to everybody out there getting their credit right. Back with another video for y'all. In this video, we're going to talk about my new service. It's called the 120 Credit Repair Service. Now, the great thing about this service is that it's a lower cost option of getting a credit expungement, credit restoration, without having to pay the higher ticket cost of the traditional expungement that I have. So I want to find a lower cost option, but of course the time frame is not going to be as fast as the higher cost option. Okay, so with the higher cost option, of course, it is 60 business days. This right here is 120. Now, a lot of times it's going to happen way before the 120 days, but 120 days is what you will have to look forward to. Maximum as far as getting everything cleared off your credit. Doesn't mean it's going to take that long. That is the maximum amount of time. Another great thing about this is for the people who may not want to go with the $79 service, which is $79 and $120 a month for 6 months. You also get 6 months for free. With that service is more of a traditional service. With this 120 service, it's not a traditional just sending a letter to the credit bureaus for you to dispute verification and things like that. It is a more strenuous approach. There's actually a whole lot more pressure on the credit bureaus and creditors to get these things off of your report, more than just a simple letter of verification like a lot of companies use. So we're doing a lot of great tactics. And I've actually tested this out here in the previous 2 or 3 months just to see how it was working out. So I'm bringing you all this service that's already been tested, and like I said, it's a great alternative. Another good thing about this is if you do not want to pay in full, you don't have to pay in full. With credit repair, of course, we do payments for credit repair because this is a credit repair service. There are 3 payments that can take place. Now, if you pay it all at one time, of course, it's going to be slightly cheaper, but you can break it down and pay for it by bureau. You can break it down. So if we do an assessment and you have all 3 bureaus need to be cleaned up, we'll just take whatever we give you as a quote, divide that by 3, and you can actually pay for it, by bureau if you'd like. Or you can go ahead and just pay it all up front. Totally up to you. Just wanted to know that you do have that option. All right. Another thing I did want to point out here, just because while I'm here, I saw that we reached 100,000 views on my video here. This is my first video with 100,000 views, so I definitely appreciate everyone who watched, who actually applied the information in there. Maybe you've got those primary lines of credit now that are helping boost your credit and give you more power. So I do appreciate everybody who has shared it, watched it, liked it, commented positively or negatively. I do appreciate you all just watching the content. Okay, so with this credit service here, with the 120 service, you're actually going to see a lot better results than you would from most people's credit repair services, because they're going to do the bare minimum. This right here is not the bare minimum. This is the expungement level, just with a little bit of extra time added to it. So everybody's going to be very, very happy with the results they get from this service. There's going to be a lot of testimonials about this service and the way we break it down for the average person to be able to afford it. It's just going to bring in, more people, which of course is going to bring in more results. So that's what we like to see here at Jay Knows Credit. You can definitely call and set up an appointment. If you call, it is 1-8333 Jay Knows, the letter J, KNOWS. That equates to 1-8333-556697. You can call, text, you can even fax this number as well. Okay, so if you have a question, if you're an introvert, you can also just text us a question you might have about the service as well. In the description of this video, I'm going to put the links to where you can actually schedule your appointment. You're going to schedule an appointment through Calendly. It's going to tell you the directions of what you have to do. It's also going to tell you which credit monitoring service that we are looking at, and the link will be in the description as well. If you don't already have Identity IQ, please go through the link in this description, and I do get a spiff commission off anybody who does go through my Identity IQ link. So if you don't have it, just to support the channel as well, please click on the link that's in the description. Not going to cost you any more money by clicking the link in the description. Just because I referred you to getting Identity IQ, they will give me a spiff back on that. But that is what I'm using right now for the process that I'm doing for everyone. That goes for any service except for inquiries. Every service is I'm actually going to need Identity IQ. So no more Experian. Experian has been known to have a lot of glitches from my point of view, from actually items showing up 1 hour and then clicking on the next hour, the item's not there, then clicking back to it, the item is back again. So to prevent all of that from happening in those glitches, I haven't had any glitches with Identity IQ, so you'll see that link in the description. So to set your appointment, you'll see that. To get that, you'll see that as well. As far as payments and consultations, you'll see all of that inside of the Calendly link. And if you do have any questions, you can also email us at inquiry@jknowscredit.com. That's INQUIRY @jknowscredit.com. So we're going to break this down. Of course, we're going to need Social Security card. Some people just don't understand. I don't know why that is, but of course, we're going to need Social Security card. We're going to need ID. We're going to need billing statement. We're going to need a billing statement or a utility bill in your name to verify your address when we're doing any type of credit rebuilding or credit restoration, credit removals. We need that information. Okay, so it's very vital if you do get started to understand that we need that. It's not something that's going to be told to you later on. We need that in order to verify you are who you say you are, so we can get whatever is on your credit off of your credit. All right, that's the main thing. So if you do have any questions, please give us a call, give us a text. If you're interested in this service, definitely go to the link right there. Go ahead and click on the Calendly, set up your appointment. Before you click on the Calendly and set up your appointment, you need to have Identity IQ already. All right, so make that clear. You got to have Identity IQ already. In the Calendly, it's going to tell you that there is a consultation fee that you're going to have to pay of $30 in order for my assistant to go over your profile. Okay, so the consultations are not free. They are $30. Okay, just want to put that up here so nobody is confused or Jay, I did not know that. I'm letting you know that the consultation is $30. All right, but thank you all for watching this video. I want to make this short, sweet, and simple. So for those of y'all who do want to get your credit repaired in a more fast way, affordable way, but not the traditional way, this is the service that you want to get started with. All right, and thank you all for watching. You all have a blessed day. God bless you. God bless your finances. This is Jay signing out.